Hello, friends! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today, we're going to learn all about the letter G. Can you say it with me? G. Great! Now, let's see what starts with the letter G. G is for grapes. First, we have G for grapes. Grapes are small, round, and sweet. They can be green or purple and are super yummy. Can you say grapes with me? Grapes. Great! G is for goat. Next, we have G for goat. Goats are farm animals. They have horns and love to eat grass. Can you say goat with me? Goat. Wonderful! G is for gift. Now, let's talk about G for gift. Gifts are surprises we give to people on special days like birthdays. Can you say gift with me? Gift. Fantastic! G is for guitar. Next, we have G for guitar. Guitars make music when you strum their strings. They come in all shapes and sizes. Can you say guitar with me? Guitar. Good job! G is for garden. Now, let's learn about G for garden. Gardens are places with flowers, plants, and trees. You can grow vegetables there, too. Can you say garden with me? Garden. Amazing! G is for gold. We also have G for gold. Gold is a shiny metal. It's used to make jewelry and sparkly things. Can you say gold with me? Gold. Excellent! Let's say all the G words one more time. G is for grapes. G is for goat. G is for gift. G is for guitar. G is for garden. G is for gold. You did a fantastic job learning all these G words today. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll know even more letters and words. Bye-bye for now. See you next time with the letter H.